Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay. We just had the front passenger wheel hub replaced by Odd Man. I'll put like a link down below if you're local, man. He did it in like an hour. 80 bucks, best money I spent. And now I can actually take the kids out. So where are we going? Ariana, say hi. Say hi. Oh Lord, this is why I get on one side. Adam, where we going, buddy? Where we going? You gotta sit back here where your car seat is. Your booster. Yeah, we went ahead and washed the car. I mean, we didn't detail, but we got it clean good enough. It's going to birdsong, so let's go see what this looks like. Hey kids, y'all ready to go?
No.
What about you, Ariana? Yeah, maybe. Okay, I got one that's ready to go. Just wait till we get there. We're gonna find out what a bird sanctuary is. So let me focus on driving. We're on the road. Hey! What do you say? This is the longest field trip ever.
So, when are we going to your mom's?
We're going next weekend in a week. In like 6 days, 5 days.
So, when are you going to your mom's?
I got a man turn here.
It will be night.
No, it's not. We're gonna leave probably after you get out of school, and then we'll get there. It may be getting a little dark. Yeah. If I leave after about 3 o'clock, it may be about 7. Yeah, it may be getting a little dim. And then y'all gonna have to stop like 2 or 3 times to go use the bathroom. So yeah.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Now?
Yeah.
I asked you before we left. What do you think I asked you for?
I don't know they have a bathroom.
I don't know if they got a bathroom in. You might have to go pee-pee outside. You wanna go pee-pee outside? What?
No.
On the left. So this is it. This is where the bird sanctuary, bird song nature center.
That way.
Yeah.
That's done.
Y'all can see that. There it is. We're gonna go up in here.
Oh my God. This is a bumpy ride.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy.
Yeah. And walking.
And Ada gotta get out and go potty. So this. Yeah, that's like an old building right there.
Yo, can we check it out in there?
I don't think we need to go in there. I think that's just where they keep the well for the water. I think. But let's go this way. Let's go check it out. So yeah, they got 550 acres. There's some guys over here camping out. They're actually going on the trail, and I think they're doing, I don't know, they're going like kayaking or something like that, she was saying. So we're gonna see if we can figure out where this trail is gonna go. In the right, buddy. You got Ariana here?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, so we gotta take a left, I think. I think we gotta go this way.
We have to go that way?
Well, we go 2 different ways.
Wait, this is another trail.
Yeah. All right, we're over here following this trail, and it's got the map with the butterflies. This is what they call Gin House Field, and we actually, if you take a look at the map here, it says it right there, Gin House Fields. So we're going in the right direction. We're going on a little adventure here with the kids. You know, kind of reminds me when we're going to what do you call it? The grape wine, the vineyards. Going to the vineyards and stuff. So that's pretty cool, man. Go for a little trail. I want to go see. Eventually, we're going to this listening place. I want to go there. There's a place I think go like a halfway point for us. So she'll be able to listen to the swamp and whatnot. And it says it's supposed to be a lot of butterflies out here. And we've seen some small ones, but not a lot of big ones yet. But this is definitely out in nature, man. We are way out there. Ain't it right, babe? You like it? You like it? She want me to hold you. You want me to hold you? Now you used to walking around. You spilled juice on your shirt. All right, we're going the right way.
Okay. These are...
Oh yeah, you looking for the flowers?
Yeah. This one.
Oh yeah, it's called a picker weed.
Pickle weeds, this one.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, pickle weed.
You found it.
Yeah, I found the picture. We check.
Check.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah.
And on to the next one. But what are these little great looking things? These little purple things right here. What are these little things? Because I know we got these by the house. What are those things? Do they have it on there? Be on the other side. That's all animals. Flip around and do you see anything like that? These might just be flowers though.
They are just flowers.
Yeah, they might not have them. I have to look it up and Google it.
Wait. That's not flowers.
It's not a flower. It must be a weed or something.
No. It is a fruit.
That ain't no fruit. That's not a fruit.
Is it grape something?
No, I was just saying it looks like a grape, but it's not a grape. I wouldn't eat that. There's no telling what that is. Okay, this is where the listening place is. See, there's a sign right there. It says listening place in 54.
It's that way.
Yeah, we gotta go this way.
Yep.
Go to the listening place.
That way.
This is nice. They keep this nice and trimmed down.
Yes. And you have to get lost. Bye.
I love it. Kids run around, wear them out. You know, right, baby? You gotta get used to going outside more.
Yeah.
Yeah, my little COVID baby. You my little COVID baby. You know that? You've been inside too long. Two butterflies. I don't know if I can catch them on camera. They're way over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We need to catch one.
Yeah, you could have
Okay.
brought your net.
Okay. Here.
Something down here. Oh, there you go. What is this? Oh, it's gone. Okay, what's flying a while?
No.
Yeah, there is a moth. Hanging out right there. Oh, yeah. So, when I was thinking about bird song, I thought it'd be like a place to come out here and watch birds. I didn't know it was 550 acres, nature trails. So, this is how it is with life. You know, I do things and then I get here, I'm like, oh, this is what it is? Okay, we're going on trails then, you know? So, it's a adventure, let's say that. You really don't ever know what you're getting into. But you know, we're going to see our way through it. And we'll come back because we got passes to come back another time. And maybe we'll come camping out here. This seems like a really cool place to go camping, you know. So it's quiet, nature, a lot of trees, fresh air. Reminds me of going to the mountains, man. So we're still trying to make it to this listening place. Been walking for quite some time. It's like about 3:45 p.m. They close at 5 p.m. so they give us like an hour or so. Kind of hang out on this trail to get there. And then I think there's a place where we can actually sit down and just kind of rest for a little bit. And this is the most shaded part of the trail. The other part's a little bit more sunny. So I think coming back this way. Okay, we're here. This is the place. So we made it. This is the listening place up here. They say it's by a swamp or something. So let's get a little closer and we can actually sit down and relax for about 20 minutes or so. Then we gotta go back, get to the car, go back home. All right, baby, we almost made it. Down where Dad's gonna get about 25, 50 acres so y'all can run around. So this is a listening place right here. Yeah, we are here. You gotta go up on the little walkway. Keep going around. Yeah, that's what I need. I just need like a little place like this up in the woods. And then they gotta run around. Like, okay, y'all come back home, kids. Is it open? Should be open. Yeah, this has been here since 1986. Oh, okay. We're gonna sit down for a little bit. Yeah, it's all screened in. Oh, they got some things that people have found. That's a horseshoe crab. No, it's a turtle. It's a turtle. That's a snake skin right there. Little acorns and stuff.
Ooh, look at this.
It's a bone, yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
they got a little fireplace. You come out here in the winter. Yeah, this is nice, man. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit.
wait, I just saw a butterfly.
Don't break it. We don't want the buzz come in. Okay. Ooh.
Look around. Dad. I think I hear a woodpecker.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I just hear a woodpecker.
You know how you hear a woodpecker? It'd be like this.
And the woodpeckers sound like that.
I mean, it's chopping on the tree. You know a woodpecker. You like it, baby? You like to go sit down?
Whoa. So,
Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna relax for a little bit.
What else is fun? Oh, look at this.
All right, hey, y'all, let's be quiet for 2 minutes. Shh, shh.
Okay, Dad. Oh no!
Shh. Get off of that.
Hey!
So that's our quick little trail out here to the listening place here at Birdsong. This would be a perfect place, man. You can sit and just relax, and you can write a book, just enjoy nature. It's nice and cool, got the wind blowing. There's nobody out here, you know. I mean, some campers over there. There might have been some people early, but, you know, kids are playing back there. But I'll catch y'all next one.